Tomorrow is Giving Tuesday, a day when people all over the world are called to do good for the greater good. Science has revealed the very act of giving boosts physical and mental health, leading those who are generous to enjoy longer, happier lives. Gratitude is at the core of T's values. Maybe that's why T kids are so happy. Every day, T students are encouraged to share their creativity and passion in order to help others by working on solving real-world problems like universal human rights, climate change, diversity and inclusion, and increasingly prevalent wildfires and droughts. Tomorrow on Giving Tuesday, we invite you to do good by donating to our annual giving campaign, appropriately titled 100% Positive Impact. With your help, our students can continue to have a positive impact on the world around them. Go to TahoeExpeditionAcademy.org/donate to give. Thank you in advance for your continued support in this very important project in human potential.